Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the inbuilt class math. This math class is present inside the Java.language, that is the default package. So there is no need to import like this because this is the default package. Okay, with the help of this inbuilt class, we can find the largest number among two numbers and the square root of the number and the power of the given numbers and log based on of the given number and so on. Okay, let's see this example. Here I have created the class. Class name is math.eg. Okay, and inside this math.eg I have created the main method. Execution starts only from the fifth statement because here only we have the main method. And here I have created two variables, x and y. Okay, x data type is double and y data type is double. Okay, I have initialized. X value is 4 and y value is 2. Okay, here I have used the inbuilt method max. This method is present inside the math inbuilt class. Okay. And this inbuilt math class is the static class. We have already discussed about the static class. So, what is the usage of static class? There is no need to create any object for this class to call the methods which belongs to that class, isn't it? So, here I have used the class name directly to call the methods which belongs to that particular math inbuilt class. Math is a static inbuilt class, so there is no need to create any object to call the methods which belongs to this math inbuilt class. That's it. Okay, here I have used the max. So what is the role of this max? It is used to find the largest among the given number. Here I have two variables. Okay. And here I have used the square root. So this is used to find the square root of the given variable. And the power. This is also present inside the math inbuilt class. Okay. So x to the power y we will get if we use the POW. This is present inside the math inbuilt class. And if we want to find any log value, we can use the log inbuilt method which is also present inside the math static class. Okay. And here this log is used to find the value of y. Okay. And this is also the inbuilt method. This method is used to find the log based on of the given variable. Likewise, this is used to find the log based on of y variable value. That's it. Okay, so inside the math static inbuilt class, we have so many inbuilt mathematical methods. So we can use these methods. Okay, I hope you all understood about the math inbuilt class. Okay, this is present inside the default package Java.language. Okay, now let me execute this one. So first, this is the output for this one. So largest among 4 and 2. Which one is the largest one? 4. So we got 4 here. Okay, and square root of the y. That is square root of 2. This is the result for the 14th statement. Okay. And power of x comma y. That is x to the power y. X value is 4. Y value is 2. Okay. That's why we got this result. Okay. And log of x. That is log of 4 returns this value. And log of y. Log of 2 returns this one. Okay. Here log based on of x, that is log based on of 4 returns this value. And log based on of y, that is log based on of 2 returns this value. Okay. Now let's discuss about the differences between StringBuilder and StringBuffer. Okay. The differences between StringBuilder and StringBuffer are based on two parameters. The first one is mutability. The second one is performance. Okay. Let's see this example. Here I have created the package. Package name is module1. Okay. And I have imported the StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Okay. Both the classes are inside the Java.language package. Okay. Java.language package is the default package, so there is no need to write like this. Okay. And I have created the class StringBuilder. Okay. Inside this class, I have created the user-defined function concord1. And this method is the static method. So we can call this method without the object of this class, isn't it? And inside this user-defined function, I have created the argument s1. Its data type is string. Okay. And here I try to concatenate s1 with the u string. Is it possible to concatenate this u with the s1 string data type variable? No. Why? Because here I have used the string data type for s1 variable. This is the immutable, that is non-changeable. Okay. So if we create any variable as string means if we try to change the value of the variable means we won't get any errors, but concatenation is not possible because the feature for this string data type is what? Non-changeable, that is immutable. And here I have created one more user-defined function concord2. Class is StringBuilder. Okay. And s2 is the object for this StringBuilder class. And inside this StringBuilder class, we have the inbuilt method. Okay. Here I have used that method, append. Okay. So this method is used to append the given string to the existing value of this s2. Okay. Is it possible? Possible. Okay. If we use the StringBuilder class, we can add the value to the existing one. Okay. So what property is this? This is the mutable one. If we use the StringBuilder class, we can add. Okay. So that is the mutable property. But that is not present inside this string class, isn't it? Okay. And here I have created one more, concord3. This is also the user-defined function. Here I have used the static keyword. So we can call this method without the object of this class, isn't it? Here I have used the StringBuffer class. This is the object for this StringBuffer. Okay. So is it possible to add the value to the existing one? Possible. Like the StringBuilder, not like the string. Okay. So then what is the difference between the StringBuffer and StringBuilder? StringBuffer is slower performance when compared with the StringBuilder. Okay. String class is the immutable one. StringBuilder class is the mutable one. And StringBuffer is also the mutable one. But what is the difference between the StringBuilder and StringBuffer? StringBuffer is slower performance than the StringBuilder class. Got it? Append method is present inside the StringBuffer class. Okay. So I can access the append method with the help of the object of this StringBuffer class. The God is the new value. This value will be added to the existing value of this S3. Okay. And here we have the main method. Execution starts only from the main method. Okay. And here I have created the variable S1. Its data type is string. This holds the immutable property, isn't it? Okay. And here I have given the value to S1, thank. And this is our call statement. Concord 1. And inside the S1 we have the thank. So after encounter this line, the control jumps from the 35th line to the definition part, that is the 11th line. Okay, the thank will be stored inside the S1. Okay, here inside the S1 we have the thank, and here we have the concatenation symbol, and this is the string U. Okay, is it possible to concatenate thank with U? No. Why? Because string is the immutable one, non-changeable one, isn't it? So the value S1 won't be changed. Okay, and the control again jumps back to 14th line to the 37th line. Here that value, that is the S1, that is the thank, will be printed on our console. And here I have created the S2. This is the object for StringBuilder. Okay, and a new keyword I have used, and this is the parameterized constructor for this class, and here I have given the value good. Here we have the call statement. Inside the S2 we have the good, isn't it? After encounter this line, the control jumps from the 41th line to the definition part, 17th line. Okay, and this value good will be stored inside the S2. Okay, and inside the S2 we have the good. Now I try to append the health to the existing one. Okay, is it possible to add this health to the existing one? Yes, it's possible. Okay, so what is the value of S2 after encounter this line? Good health. Okay, and the control again jumps back from 20th line to 43rd line. So good health will be printed on our console. Okay, and here I have created the object S3 for StringBuffer. Okay, and this is the parameterized constructor for this class, and here the value great. Okay, and this is the call statement. So the control jumps from the 47th line to the 23rd line. Okay, and this great will be stored inside the S3. So S3 holds great. Now I try to add the God to the existing great. Is it possible? Possible. Okay, because this is also the mutable one. Okay, so great God. Now the value of S3 is what? Great God. Okay, and the control again jumps back from 26th line to that 49th line. Here that value will be printed on our console. I hope you all understood about the differences between the StringBuffer and StringBuilder. Okay, let me execute this one. And here concord 1, S1 is thank. So the control comes here. Now S1 value is thank. I try to combine thank with U, but this U won't be concatenated with the thank because string is the immutable one. So thank only is displayed here. Okay, and the second one, concord 2. So S2 value is good. So concord 2 definition part is here. So here S2 value is good, isn't it? So good plus health. That's why we got good health, because this is mutable one. So we can add. Okay, and again the third 1. This is the call statement. So S3 value is great. Where is the definition part for this? Here. Now great is the value of S3. So God will be appended. Great God is the result for S3. That's why we got this result. Okay. So what is the differences between StringBuilder and StringBuffer? String is the immutable one. StringBuilder is the mutable one. StringBuffer is the mutable one. But StringBuffer is slower performance compared with the StringBuilder class. That's it. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.